how to make VHS effect on the CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I'll show you that how can you make VHS effect on your CapCut. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application CapCut on your device. Alright, so after you open the CapCut, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the new project option, and from there, you'll have to just select the one video where you want to make the VHS effect. So I will select some like this one. Alright, so simply tap on add. Okay, so now from here to make a VHS effect on CapCut, you'll have to just go the option effects. So it will appear at the bottom. So simply tap on effects and tap on video effect. And now from here you can easily search the effect like VHS. So simply in the search field you'll have to type for VHS, and after you type it you'll have to just tap on the search icon. Okay, so by searching the VHS in the search field you'll be able to browse multiple VHS effect on CapCut. So from here you can easily select one whom you want to add on your CapCut video. So I will choose this one from here. Like you can also go with it old TV. Alright, so after choosing one effect, you'll have to just back from here, and from there you can easily apply this effect on your video. So after you see the interface, like you can also resize or create the path or split the options like where you want this effect. So from here you can also drag this effect, and from here you can also define where you want to this effect on your video. And after then you'll have to just export this video as in your gallery. So this is the easiest and simplest method to make VHS effect on your CapCut. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.